Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be about maintenance of Power Mac G5 and more games running on Linux. That's me from the past pretending I know what I'm doing. Already made a small mod to PSU and put a more traditional power plug connector. Going to take it apart, clean off the dust and replace thermal paste. Already had DVD drive removed, some other small plastic parts and hard drive fan grill. Here is some more parts already removed. Had made a power adapter for GPU, but in the end didn't use it, so I ended up removing it. Just a few more screws to remove motherboard and PSU. Some parts already out. This plastic bit is very annoying to remove without breaking it. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove it. Had to use a flathead screwdriver to reach heatsink screw. Removing the CPU. Gonna apply Thermalright TF9, which claims 14 watts per meter Kelvin of thermal conductivity. Motherboard is out now. Disassemble PSU completely. Clean PSU by just using a brush. Only have pics of before and after. Now gonna disassemble the heatsink of chipsets. This platform has 3 chipsets: North Bridge, Middle Bridge and South Bridge. Only gonna replace thermal paste for CPU, North Bridge and Middle Bridge. If you plan to do the same, be very careful and do with calm for North Bridge to not chip the die since it's exposed. Now it's just a matter of putting everything back together in reverse order. To have hardware acceleration on Linux, need to put GPU on PCIe slot with 8 lanes. I had a NVMe PCIe adapter on x4 slot under GPU, but still not using it. Put a Blu-ray drive from a laptop to see what happens. Played Children of the Corn from 1984. Unfortunately, there is no H.264 decoder hardware acceleration for GPU driver on Big N Linux, so they play like a slideshow, a presentation. And for the rest of this video, gonna use a capture card. Here we are, first things first, Fastfetch. Our glorious 970 MP 2GHz CPU Radeon R5 230 and start using ArchPower Linux distro, which is an interesting one, using Open Power Foundation ELF v2 ABI. First in the list it's Zelda Majora's Mask the compilation. It works without sound. Aerofoil X, which is Glider Pro from macOS. Sea Dogs works fine. Cave Story, there's CSE2EX and NX Engine Evo. Both work fine, but NX Engine Evo only works music, no sound effects. CSE2EX doesn't have this issue. And you guys maybe remember ClassiCube from my first video. Now it renders properly. ClownMDEmu, which requires this SDL command so colors aren't swapped due to SDL3 endianness issue. CorsixTH Team Hospital works fine, including its amazing MIDI music. Doom 64 EX Plus has swapped colors and no sound. ETLegacy Enemy Territory works fine, including online. Extreme Tux Racer works fine, but didn't capture sound for who knows reason. FS-UAE Amiga Emulator is an interesting one. It even emulates the floppy drive disk sound. Firefox and a recent one, 144.0.1. With patience, it's possible to browse the web on a 2K5 machine. I forgot to show, but WebGL is accelerated via OpenGL 3.2. Tried YouTube, but should have picked up, let's say, a more easier video. I know that 480p plays fine, not 4K like this one I've chosen for this video.
Maybe he don't even exist.
Hexen II works fine. Jackrabbit 2 needs to use software render since minimum OpenGL required is 3.3. Nethack X11 works fine. Quake 3 works fine, but when capturing it flashed the screen due to its resolution, sorry about that. On my first video, Sonic CD was like this, now it renders properly. Sonic Mania works fine. Sonic Roboblast 2 Kart works fine. Sonic Roboblast 2 Legacy. It works but has an issue with input. It's not accepting like jumping or rolling, regardless of using keyboard or a gamepad. Another memory from my first video, Sonic 2 The Compilation. Works fine now. SpaghettiKart sound doesn't work. So as for Star Fox 64. SuperTux works fine. Wargus and War1 Gus, Warcraft 1 and 2 games. Warcraft 1 only works skirmish, no campaign. Warcraft 2 works fine, and only showed the second game here. Yamagi Quake 2 works fine. Half-Life doesn't work correctly on PPC 64, but works fine on 32-bit. We will need to use console commands to explore a bit, as it crashes when trying to load a new map chunk.
This automated train is provided for the security and convenience of the Black Mesa Research Facility personnel.
Suspicious already.
The time is...
Are you okay, Doc?
Hello there. My God, what are you doing? working. Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties? This all looks normal.
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV Protective System. Power for use in hazardous environment conditions. High impact reactive armor. Act systems engaged. Defensive weapon selection system activated. Munition level
At least
monitoring
one guy is
activated.
enjoying the beat.
Communications interface online. Have a very safe day.
Minecraft time. Minecraft works now on big PPC up to version 1.12.2. Version 1.8.1 is the last that renders the menu properly. Version 1.8.2 and up to 1.12.2 has some issues rendering the menu, but in-game is fine. I used a mod called Relictium which should help the game to perform better, but it ends swapping some colors like grass becomes pink that you guys are about to see. It's slow but playable due to my GPU. If I had a G5 quad 2.5 GHz and a Radeon 6850 or 6970 would perform way better than this. I wrote a guide on my GitHub repo and put all the interest links on the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day and thank you very much for watching.